interior for this Element Ecto, and I can't seem to find one, so I ended up 3D printing one. Check this out. Well, it don't look like much there, does it? But it is. It's pretty cool. Got the driver, 2 seats. It's just a flat with a steering wheel. Not even detailed dash or nothing, but I'm going to put a decal or a sticker down there. But here's the whole thing that I really think is cool. So I 3D printed me a glow-in-the-dark head. He's a skull head. Pretty cool looking. See if I can get on camera. Yes. And he's wearing a Viking helmet. Heck yeah. That'll work for that Element Ecto. Main thing is I got to test fit it. Hopefully it'll fit right in there. The Element Ecto is kind of weird because it's got a layback windshield and it narrows up in the front. I'm hoping this thing fits without a whole lot of doctoring with the Dremel. We'll find out here in just a few minutes. Kind of see how it tapers out this way and lays back too. So yeah, it's kind of one of those weird shapes. I done the best I could. Made this little pattern right here to measure by. And so yeah, let's hope it works. Okay, it's not officially mounted, but that's just a test fit and it looks really good. I'm trying to hold it. It's kind of in place. I don't have the head mounted yet, but the head will go on there. That actually come in pretty good, man, for a swagging situation. Oop, I'm about to drop the thing. Yes, I think that's going to work fine. Heck, like I said, the head's printed out of glow-in-the-dark, and it does glow. I'll probably color the helmet a little bit. Closing the door. We'll shut off some lights. Oh, I used Sunloo PLA Plus for the flat area, and I created that, designed all that, except for I did borrow some aspects from online Thingiverse stuff, and put it all together with the Windows 3D Creator. So PLA Plus for the main body, Sunloo, and then some Sandmate, I think is what it's called, Icing Mate, for the glow-in-the-dark skull and helmet. So let's shut off this light and see what he glows like. Oh, look at that glow. Heck yeah, man, that is so cool. That'll be inside that truck body.